Hello everyone and welcome to Coinbase Global YouTube channel. Today we will add Avalanche network to our Metamask wallet. As you know, in this playlist we've added Polygon mainnet, Phantom Opera and Smart Chain so far. Now in this video we will add Avalanche network to our Metamask and our Metamask wallet will be set up. We already have a Metamask tutorial video for you guys, so if you don't have a Metamask wallet, don't forget to watch that video and create your Metamask wallet. Now with that said, let's just jump on to our video. As I mentioned in the previous videos, we will use the same technique today to add Avalanche network to our Metamask wallet. We just typed how to add Avalanche network to our Metamask and Avalanche website gave us all the information we need, as you see. So we're just gonna copy all of these information and paste it on our Metamask page, and then we will add Avalanche network to our Metamask. So as you see, there's a little arrow. We should click on this and click on add network. And as you see, Metamask asks us to fill in these blanks with these information, with a network name, a new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. So we're just gonna copy all of these information and paste it on here to add Avalanche network. So we've copied and pasted all the information, and let's click on save. And as you see, we've added Avalanche network to our Metamask wallet. I will give the link of the Avalanche Network's website so you can find all of these information, or you can just pause our video right here and fill in these blanks with these words, with a network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and explorer. So this pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this, and see you guys in the next video.